Hello guys, hope so you are doing great. So we are going to discuss how to integrate ChatGPT with Google Sheet. So what we need to do, we need one thing you need to know over here, that is we are going to integrate the ChatGPT with Google Sheet without any API key. You don't need any OpenAI API key. So what you need to do, you need to just wait and watch how we can achieve this service on the Google Sheet. So what we need to do, we need to go over here button, Google Apps, and scroll down on the Google Sheet. Over here, sheet is here. So click on the sheets. A window will be open. And from this window, you need to select a blank spreadsheet. You can watch a new window is open over here. When it's fully loaded and the all buttons are active, you need to click on the extension button in the menu bar. When you click on the extension button, a new menu pop-up will open. Over here, there is an option add-ons. When you click on the add-ons, a new menu will be open. And over here, get add-ons menu. You need to click on the get add-ons menu. It will open a new pop-up window. Over here, you can see the different extensions window. You need to search over here and need to write GPT-4. When you write GPT-4, over here different extensions will be pop up. You need only extension GPT-4, docs, sheets and slides. When you click on the GPT-4 docs, sheets and slide, a new window will open. When this window will come, you can see over here the first one, GPT-4 docs, sheets and slide. You need to click on it. When you click on this window, a new window will be open, and over here you can see the button install. Click on the install button and then continue. A new window will be open where it authenticate your Google account, and you need to select the Google account and need to allow all the things. After that, it will shift you on the Google Sheet. You need to close this window, and here we go. So what you need to do for assessing the functions of GPT, you need to click over here and write equal sign and GPT. When you write the GPT, a new function will be pop up, and when you click GPT and select the GPT, over here a message box open where the GPT function shows the prompt and value. You need to write the prompt in the double quotation. So here is the prompt is what is meant by AI. So you need to close this and press enter button. It will take some time and will generate an answer of the given question. Here we go. And do some other things. Over here, I will write GPT table ask for another prompt. Give 10 new startup and their and the name of their CEOs. Let's see how it will produce. Here we go. Here is the startup names, 10 startup names as per our prompt, and here is the CEO names of that startup. So it's so cool. We don't need any API key of OpenAI. We just need to install an extension over the spreadsheet. Now we will see another example of GPT. We need to write equal sign GPT. The next one is GPT list. In the prompt, we will write a prompt as give 10 titles on the article AI. Press enter button and the result is preparing for you. Wait a little bit. Here we go. It will give the list of 10 titles for the article on the topic of AI. So it's so cool. Here is in the extension there is a 3 basic function: GPT, GPT table, and GPT list. We have performed all 3 functions of this extension, and hope so you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we will discuss about the same functionality and the same extension, how we can integrate this extension in the Google Docs. So stay tuned with us and like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.